Hello friends, welcome to We Learn Physics. Well, in this question, two swimmers leave point A on one bank of river to reach point B directly across the other bank. One of them crosses the river along straight line AB while other swims at right angle to the stream and then walks a distance that he has been carried away by the stream to get to point B. What was the velocity u of his walking if both the swimmers reach the destination simultaneously? So now, if you look at this question clearly, you will find that from point A to point B, the target is point B. So river has water which is moving with speed. Stream velocity is given to be 2 km per hour. I'm dropping these units, simply I'll write 2. Okay. Now, this is 2 km per hour. Now the first swimmer, he started from A and he is heading, he reaches to B along the straight line AB. So this means that he must have traveled in this direction so as to finally, because this should be velocity of swimmer with respect to river. Okay, so now river velocity will add to it and this will give you the absolute velocity of swimmer. So this is, we will have this vector relation VSR is equal to Vs minus Vr. Now of course from here Vs will be equal to vector sum of Vsr and Vr. Understanding this? So thus using triangle law of vector addition I have drawn like this. So the first person is headed towards this line only, means his actual velocity with respect to ground is like this. While the second person, what happens? The second person, he starts from point A and he directly swims at right angle to the stream. So although second person, I'll draw that here. Second person will start head in this direction. If he will head in this direction, because of this river velocity, his absolute velocity is going to be in this direction. Got it? No? So he'll reach somewhere here. Here this was A and B. I have drawn two diagrams corresponding to each person. So now A and this is B. So he'll travel in this direction. He'll reach up to some distance. This will be the drift. Let's say this distance is X. So according to the question, the person from here, he walks or he runs to reach point B. Let's name this point as C. Okay. So let us start the process. Now time taken in both the cases is same according to the question. Okay. So let's say what is the time taken by the first person. So this is the first case. This is the second case. So I'm solving for the first case. First case you have, there's this vector triangle, right? Now VSR according to the question is with respect to water is 2.5. So it is 5 by 2 which is 2.5. River ka velocity is 2. So 5 by 2. So this will be velocity of swimmer. This will be equal to under root of 5 by 2 ka whole square minus 2 ka square, which is nothing but 25 by 4 minus 4 ka root. So it is 9 by 4 root, which is 3 by 2. Understood? Okay. So this is absolute velocity we have found out here. So how much is the time taken? Time taken will be, let's assume the width to be d. So that will be d upon 3 by 2. Now in the second case, see. So vector triangle is like this. Now since he is crossing the river, every time the vertical velocity remains same, that is 2.5. Got it? No? Here it is 2. So vertical velocity as in along the perpendicular direction to the river stream, his velocity is 2.5 only. So time taken to reach point C will be, let's say T2 I'm calculating. We have to divide T2 in two terms, that is T plus capital T. T is from A to C while capital T was from C to B. Let's calculate T first. So t will be nothing but d upon 2.5. Understood now? Okay, so 2.5 you can express as 5.5 by 2, so it will be 2d upon 5. Now, what is the value of drift? So drift will be equal to velocity along x. Along x, its velocity is only 2, right? So drift is 2 into this time taken, which is 4d by 5. Implies capital T will be how much? Now this distance we have calculated. So C to B, it is moving with what speed? U, and which is what we are supposed to calculate. So it will be x upon u, which is nothing but 4d by 5u. Now, so t we have calculated, small t we have calculated. According to the question, t2 is equal to t1. Let's solve here. So ATQ T2 equal to T1, right? Put the values. T1 is 2d by 3 should be equal to 2d by 5 plus 4d by 5u. Got it? So from here you will have d eliminated throughout, and bring this to the other side. So it will be 4 by 5u is equal to 2 by 3 minus 2 by 5, which is, this is 15, and then this will be 10 minus 6, so it will be 4 by 15. Now 4 say this 4 will get cancelled out, 5 say this will be cut in 3 times. So from here you will have u equal to 3. Hope you all have understood this solution. Thank you everyone.